See, dear students, here cot is given. So you can draw triangle and find the remaining. Or in spite of that, better is you can make the numerator and denominator in terms of cot by dividing. Here we have cos. Cos by sin gives you what? Cot. The other trigonometric function, sin theta they give. What is sin theta? A minus b by a plus b. All of you know sin means what? Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. They wanted to prove root of a by b, we got it. Root a by root b can be written as root of a by b. Numerator, I am writing a as root a into root a. Hope all of you got this. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with the problems of angles and trigonometric ratios. So now 5 markers. If tan a plus sin a is m, tan a minus sin a is n, then prove that m square minus n square the whole square is equal to 16 mn. This is what they want you to prove. First we'll take LHS, we'll arrive at the result, then we'll take RHS and we'll simplify to arrive at the result. So let us take LHS. What is LHS they give? M square minus n square whole square. M square minus n square whole square. So now dear students, m square minus n square means tan a plus sin a the whole square minus tan a minus sin a the whole square whole square. So what I will do, in spite of that, can I write it as m plus n into m minus n whole square? You know, a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. Further substitute m. What is m? Tan a plus sin a plus n. N is what? Tan a minus sin a. Tan a minus sin a. This is m plus n into m minus n. What is m minus n? Tan a plus sin a minus tan a minus sin a. Further, if you simplify, it will be tan a plus tan a is 2 tan a, sin a minus sin a cancels, and the next term, if you expand this, you will get tan a plus sin a. If you open the brackets, minus tan a plus sin a. Now plus tan a minus tan a cancels. You will get 2 tan a into 2 sin a plus sin a is what? 2 sin a. So totally we will get 4 times tan a sin a. This is your LHS. This is the value of LHS. LHS means what? M square minus n square whole square. We got this. Call this equation 1. So now I took LHS m square minus n square whole square and I simplified. M square minus n square can be written as m plus n into m minus n. In the place of m, substitute the value of m. M is tan a plus sin a plus n is tan a minus sin a. This is m plus n. And tan a plus sin a minus tan a minus sin a. This is m minus n. After simplifying, here sin a cancels, minus sin a cancels, we'll get 2 tan a, and tan a minus tan a cancels, we'll get 2 sin a, 2 2s are 4, 4 tan a sin a. This is your LHS value. Now we'll take RHS. So now we'll take RHS. What is RHS given? M n, 16 times mn they give, 16 mn. 16 times what is m they give? M is sin a, tan a plus sin a. M is tan a plus sin a into n. Into what? N. What is n given? N is tan a minus sin a. N is tan a minus sin a. Now that is 16. A plus b into a minus b. What is a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. So it will become 16 tan square a minus sin square a. Because it is in the form a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So now we have 16 tan square a minus sin square a. But if you observe LHS, in LHS we got 4 tan a sin a. So let us simplify this. So what I'll do, I'll write tan square a minus sin square a. Tan square can be written as sin square a by cos square a minus sin square a. So now you can take sin square a common. If you take 16 sin square a common, I'll be left out with 1 by cos square a minus sin square a. Sorry, minus 1 it will be, because I've taken sin square a common. If you take sin square a common, it will be this. So 16 sin square a, you know 1 by cos square a is secant square a minus 1. So that is 16 sin square a into secant 1 plus tan square a is secant square a. Secant square a minus 1 is what? Tan square a. So you'll get 16 sin square a tan square a. This is the value of what? Mn. 16 times mn. So dear students, we got m square minus n square whole square we have to do. So this is whole square, and for this whole square will be as it is, whole square. So this is m plus n into m minus n whole square right as it is. Here also you will have whole square as it is. So here also allow whole square as it is. Here also it will be whole square. So 4 square is 16 tan square sin square a. Now call this as 1. So if I take square inside, 4 square is 16, this. So your LHS is this, 16 tan square a sin square a. RHS also you got 16 sin square a tan square a. Therefore, call this as equation 2. From 1 and 2, m square minus n square, the whole square value is same as 16 times mn. 16 times mn, this is 16 times mn is 16 sin square a tan square a, and m square minus n square whole square is also 16 tan square a sin square a. So from 1 and 2 we conclude that m square minus n square whole square is same as 16 mn. So means take LHS simplify, take RHS simplify, both should match. Now we'll go to the problem number 30. They gave cot theta is 5 by 2. They wanted to show that 5 cos theta plus 2 sin theta by 5 cos theta minus 2 sin theta is equal to 29 by 21. See dear students, here cot is given. So you can draw triangle and find the remaining, or in spite of that better is you can make the numerator and denominator in terms of cot by dividing. Here we have cos. Cos by sin gives you what? Cot. So we'll take LHS. What is LHS? 5 cos theta plus 2 sin theta divided by 5 cos theta minus 2 sin theta. Now divide numerator and denominator by sin theta. So we'll divide numerator and denominator by sin, so that cos by sin becomes what? Cot. So that is 5 cos theta by cos theta plus 2 sin theta by cos theta divided by, in denominator we have 5 cos theta. So 5 cos theta by cos theta minus 2 sin theta by sin theta. Sin theta by cos theta. Or sorry, here better, see better in spite of, divide by sin theta, divide by what? We are dividing by sin theta. Divide numerator and denominator by sin theta. So I am dividing numerator and denominator by sin theta. So it becomes 5 cos theta by sin theta, 2 sin theta by sin theta, denominator 5 cos theta by sin theta minus 2 sin theta by sin theta. Now simplify, find. All of you know cos by sin. What is cos theta by sin theta? Cos theta by sin theta is cot theta minus sin theta cancels, plus 2 divided by 5 times cos theta by sin theta is cot theta plus minus, sin cancels, it is 2. So now we got 5 cot theta plus 2 by 5 cot theta minus 2. But if you read the question, they give cot theta value. What is cot theta? 5 by 2. Substitute it. So 5 into 5 by 2 plus 2 by 5 into 5 by 2 minus 2. Further, 5 into 5 is 25 by 2 plus 2 divided by 5 into 5 is 25 by 2 minus 2. So take LCM for numerator, that will be 2. 25 plus 2 into 2 is 4 by, again take LCM 2. So 25 minus 2 to the 4. Simplify this, numerator 25 plus 4 becomes 29 by 2. Denominator 25 plus 4, 21 by 2. 2 cancels, you'll be left out with 29 by 21, that's it. So you'll get what? 29 by 21. That's what they need you to prove. We proved it. Further, if sin theta is a minus b by a plus b, show that tan theta plus secant theta is root ab. See, sin is given, they want tan and secant. So what we do is simple. Here we'll two techniques. One, simplifying the LHS and arriving at, otherwise find the other trigonometric function. Sin theta they give. What is sin theta? A minus b by a plus b. All of you know sin means what? Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So sin means construct a triangle. So we'll construct a triangle. This is theta. Opposite side a minus b. Hypotenuse a plus b. So if you take it as triangle ABC, using Pythagoras theorem, we need AC square is equal to what? AB square plus BC square. And we need the value of what? BC. So BC square becomes AC square minus AB square. And you know AC square. AC square means what? A plus B the whole square minus AC square. A minus B the whole square. This is BC square. And BC becomes root of, if you expand this, a plus b the whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, and minus, if you expand, minus a square minus b square plus 2ab. So now plus a square plus b square minus b square cancels, you'll get 4ab under root. So that is 2 root ab. So now this is 2 root ab. You got the adjacent side also. This is base and this is opposite and this is hypotenuse. So now we'll find the remaining. So tan theta, what is tan theta? Tan is opposite side divided by adjacent side. So opposite is a minus b by a minus b divided by 2 root ab. And we need secant theta. Secant is the reciprocal of cos. Cos means base by hypotenuse and secant is hypotenuse by base. A plus b by 2 root ab. A plus b by 2 root ab. Now take LHS and substitute. So if you take LHS left hand side, we have LHS, we have tan theta plus secant theta. Tan theta plus secant theta is equal to, in the place of tan, substitute the value of tan, a minus b by 2 root ab. And secant theta is a plus b by 2 root ab. Now LCM is 2 root ab. So further simplify, it will become a minus b plus a plus b. So minus a minus b plus a plus b. So simplify this, minus b plus b cancels. So you are left out with a plus a is 2a divided by 2 root ab. So cancels. Now numerator root a can be written as root a into a can be written as root a into root a. Denominator I can write root a into root b. Root a cancels. I'll get root of a by b. They wanted to prove root of a by b. We got it. Root a by root b can be written as root of a by b. Numerator I'm writing a as root a into root a. Hope all of you got this. Then we have problem. Cos theta they give 4 by 5 and they want 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta is 24 by 7 they want. So simple, from cos theta draw a triangle and arrive at tan theta. So now we'll take a right angle triangle. This is theta and I call this as ABC, and cos theta is given. What is cos theta they gave? Cos theta they gave 4 by 5. Cos means what? Base by hypotenuse. What is a base? The base is 4 and hypotenuse is 5 and the remaining number Pythagorean triplet. If these two are 4 and 5 and the missing number is 3. Or use Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, what is Pythagoras theorem? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, and you are interested in AB square. So AB square becomes AC square minus BC square. AC square minus BC square. AC you know 5 square minus BC you know B2C is, AC is 5 square and BC is 4 square, and AB is what? 25 minus 16 under root 9 3. Like this you can get our missing number, Pythagorean triplet you can find. Now we need tan theta. So from triangle tan theta. What is tan theta? Tan theta means opposite side divided by base. So here what is the opposite side? 3. What is the base? 4. So you got tan theta. So we got tan theta. They want you to find the value of 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So take LHS. What is LHS? 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Substitute the values. That is 2 times, what is tan theta? Tan theta is 3 by 4. 2 times 3 by 4 divided by 1 minus 3 by 4 the whole square. Further simplification gives you 2 1s are 2 2s are, so it will become 3 by 2, and denominator is 1 minus 9 by 16. So simplify, 3 by 2 divided by LCM is 16 minus 9 by 16, that is 3 by 2 divided by 16 minus 9 gives you 7 by 16. Further we have 3 by 2 divided by 7 by 16, or we say 3 by 2 into 16 by 7. 2 1s are 2 8s are, 3 8s are 24 divided by 7. So this is your RHS. 24 by 7. If you observe, they want 24 by 7 and we got C. I hope all of you got this. Then see, please practice these problems. I'll see you in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.